Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress on your local computer. So first of all you need to install a web server. You can use XAMPP, but I will use OpenServer in this video. So now here we have our OpenServer installed. After that you should download last version of WordPress. I already did it. Here it is. Now we should create our local domain name. So how to do it? I will go to OpenServer domains and now create any domain name. For example, so now when I create this folder, I should restart my server. So server is restarted, and now I can try to open this domain in browser. So, but as you can see, there is no site there. Now we should unzip this WordPress to our new domain. And also we should copy everything from here to the root of our domain. So now when everything is here, we could start to install WordPress. I will reload this page, and here we could choose a language. Now we should create database. How to do it? You should open some database management tool. I will use PHPMyAdmin. And here you can create new database. So database is created, now it's empty as you can see, and we could move on. So I will just enter same name. Username is root and password is empty. So last step, we should enter site title and username. And of course password. So it will be only on my local computer, so I can use not strong password. And also email. So now WordPress is installed. It is URL to your admin panel. Here you can enter username and password and login to WordPress. So that's all. WordPress is installed on your local computer. And also you can open database and see that it's not empty anymore. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.